2, rhythms moving to A. Okay, and we play that down here. We're in that 5th box, and we bar the bottom 3 strings, the G, the B, and the E. We play a rake. But as we play the rake, as we come to the bottom string, we pull off immediately with our ring finger and our middle finger. Okay, next we go, and we pull off with our pinky on the 8th fret B string. Pull off to the 5th fret B string. Then comes a bend on the 7th fret G string. And then back to B string, 5th fret. And finish on the 8th fret B. That is lick 2.